for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, this week's tool review, I want to appreciate one of my buddies, Flying Brian. He let me use his pair of reds this week. He had a pair of red Wisses. These are the best tin snips in the business. They're WISS Wiss. And the top pair right there in yellow, that's going to be your straight cut. The green pair right down below that, that's going to be your left-handed pair. And the red pair right down below that is going to be your right-handed cut. I am actually going to probably pick me up a set of right-handed cut. I actually thought they felt really comfortable. I was able to do everything I needed to do. I typically got the straight cuts. I recommend for guys that don't use tin snips a lot to use the straight cut. But I could pretty much cut a stud and pretty much do anything I want with either any one of these. But a lot of the guys didn't even know this, but if you're left-handed, you're going to have a lot more comfort with that left-handed set there. If you're right-handed, you're going to have a lot more comfort with that right-handed set. But the Tin Bangers actually taught me this a while back, and I figured I'd pass it on to all the other guys out there. If you're an electrician and you just need tin snips, probably the straight cut's probably your best bet. What I recommend. If you're more of a craftsman like me and you want to carve studs into panel covers and stuff, then you're gonna need to go with something that you need to have some dexterity with. I'm not saying panel covers, I was saying J-box covers. A lot of times we lose some of the covers and we have to cut up some metal and make new ones. And we have the shark in the chat. The shark's coming through the chat. Oh yeah, and Daniel J, he uses the straight. Awesome for joining, Daniel. Daniel's gonna love the Willie quiz tonight, man. He's already out there. He's already swimming out there, James. So really appreciate everyone joining every week. And like I say, if you're gonna look for the best tin snip in the business, I would go with the Wiss, and I would go with whichever hand you are. Or like Daniel says, go with the straight. I think I even told Daniel hey dude, you should go with the straight, but